Welcome back guys to another video. This is Raja. In this video we are going to look at the recent announcement from Tesla, the stock split 5 by 1. We are going to look at this in this video whether it's good or bad. In my opinion, I feel like it's a bad, so I will give you the 5 reasons why it's a bad. So let's get started. So before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. Please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to now subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on many stocks in coming days. Also, before we move on, I would like to remind you that I'm very bullish with Tesla. You guys know that. I'm doing weekly videos on Tesla for many weeks now. So you guys know that I'm very bullish on this stock. So it was added to the tracker when back in here last year, and it made almost 200% gains before it gave up. Then it's added to the tracker again in March, and since then it's posted almost 412% gain. So as of now it's moving sideways and it's ready to move on, but it's waiting for its time. So I'm very bullish with this stock, so I'm not biased one way or other, but I'm very bullish. And for the record, here is the tracker link. It was added to the tracker back in December 2019, and it was exited on February. Since then it's posted almost 116% gain before you give up most of the gain like during the downtrend. And this is the current tracker. This stock added to the tracker on 323, and it's posting almost 260% gain. It now rallied quite a bit, but the recent days it's gave up some of the gains. So I'm still bullish on this stock. This position is still open, and hope this stock rally from here. So let's go back to the original purpose of this video, why this is a bad. The reason number one is I don't feel like it is a strategic announcement. They may feel like that, but they were not transparent. When Apple announced its stock split a couple of weeks back before the earnings, before even they releasing the results, they said that they're going to do a split. So they explicitly said that they're going to split the stock. Then they did it, but this one no one knows when it's coming. People were expecting some other news, but they just wanted the news because the stock is stalling for a while, last few weeks. So they want to have some kind of traction, I believe. So that is the reason they let the news happens. So if that is their objective, they may get it day or two, but it's maybe short-lived. So that is one of the reasons. They are not transparent, but when it comes to Apple, they said at very beginning that they're going to do a split. Then they did the announcement. So that's reason number one. So such a big company, whenever you do something, you just be transparent in the front. You don't want to have any short news cycle. And reason number two, I believe that it's not done. It's full-heartedly. It's half-heartedly they done it. Because even after the split, it's going to be a $300 stock, so it's not going to be accessed by the Robinhood traders. Still, they're going to go after the elite people who has $25,000 or more in their account. So those are the people going to buy it, and that's one of the reason. So when Apple did the split, their stock is going to be $100 stock, which can be accessed by many people. So it is they want to have a little bit room for more people to access it, but at the same time they don't want to get the crowd to be on it. So whatever the reason they say that it should be more accessible, it's kind of not done. So when you do something, you all in or all out. So still they want to have the stock highly priced, not access to all the people. So that is one of the reasons they're doing it. So it is not done the wholeheartedly. The third one is this stock is so expensive because it cannot be accessed by Tom and Dig. So that is one of the reasons the stock is does not have many floats. So whenever some news comes up, it fires up on all the cylinders. So do you really want to create unnecessary float at this early stage? That's not something you have to think about it. So I feel this stock does not require any unnecessary float so early in their run up. And also after the split, this stock may look like a $400 stock or $500 stock, but it's not going to be overlooked that this stock is still overvalued. So if you look at Yahoo Finance, the PE ratio is still 711. So it's very, very high for a growth stocks. So if you're trading on a growth stock, the single most thing you ignore is the PE ratio. So it's going to be 711 even after the split, and nobody's going to deny that. So it's not going to create any kind of illusion that this is an undervalued stock. So next one is it's going to set that stage. Yeah, so the next one is going to set a stage that is going to be $1,500 going to be the cap going forward. So anytime the stock reaches 1,500, we do a split as like Apple. Apple, whenever they reaches like 300, they do the split. So they did the split like 25,000 times in their life cycle so far. So this stock is going to hit 1,500 anytime, then it's going to get a split. That's how they're going to do it. So it's going to set like some kind of precedence for something they have to deal with it in their lifetime. So in my opinion, this stock does not require any kind of split. It's like Amazon and other stocks. It should be relatively higher valued, so it has its allied status. So not Tom and Dick are touching this stock. Only that high institutional traders are not doing the stock, trading the stock. So that is my opinion. But they're doing the split. But if they do the split, they should be not doing they should come bring down the value to 200 or 100, something like that. They're not doing that anyway. So in my opinion, this isn't totally not needed for now. But let's see how things plays out. I'm still bullish on this stock, and this stock has a lot more potential, and it has a lot more room to run. So let's see how the things plays out in coming days and weeks. Thank you guys for watching this quick video. I will see you guys in another video relatively very shortly. So please check out our website, please check out our social media sites, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And also when you get a chance, check out all our Tesla videos in the playlist. Have a great day.